my name is Tina, and today I'm going to be answering your assumptions about me. And there's construction right now in my house, so I'm gonna have to take you along with me through my day while I'm answering your questions. So I'm gonna answer maybe 2 right now. So the first one is from All About Sab PH. She said, super kalog. Yes, that is very true. Sobrang kalog ko to the point na I'm really convinced that I have ADHD, and I'm also very, I'm a social butterfly. So you can make me get along with everybody, and I'm okay with that. So another one is mataray. Mataray ako when I don't have sleep or I'm very tired. Yeah, pretty much that. I'm very mataray when it happens. You know what, like, we're still human, we're allowed to have our moments. So yeah, so today we are here with Quaker oats, and then they're trying to make it into like more Filipino, more usable for daily life, because it's diba normally ginagawa lang natin, we just mix it with water and then that's it. But they're trying to make it more Filipino. Ah, she's there! Hello! You know, I was just thinking about you kanina.
Why?
So I was like, I really want to try your puto. Guys, this is Ashley.
Hi.
Super sexy girl right
Whatever.
now.
Like you.
Oh, thank you. Did I brief you? Okay, so apparently now they're making it parang Quaker itlog. Parang
Okay.
more Filipino daw.
Okay.
Yun lang, that's what they told me. I'm just telling you.
Okay.
She's a cook. So like she knows how to cook. I don't know how to cook. So I was like, I'll go because there's gonna be classes now how to cook. I'll go. Sabi nila, it's okay because it's gonna be just, parang you're gonna microwave it. Ako, okay, so much for learning how to cook.
I can teach you to cook.
Oh my god, let's collab! Are you game? I don't know how to cook, like I've never cooked it. Other than anything fried.
Okay.
I'm excited. Ang mangyari pala, magluto kami. Like, may tag-isang station doon. I hope I won't burn things. But before that, we have food. So we have this and we have that with oats also. But I ordered coffee. Because why not? She ordered hot one.
Who here is a firm believer that breakfast is the most important meal of the day?
Me.
Raise your right foot.
I.
I'm a strong believer that breakfast is important. We need it for energy. We need it to get started and to sustain throughout the day. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. As Filipinos, of course, we always want what for breakfast?
Rice,
But then, as we age, there are concerns on consumption of rice or substitutes to rice that can give us that full feeling, but then lesser carbs, lesser sugar, friendlier for the body, right?
Okay, so while they're cooking,
It's actually a one-pot salad. When you think about it, diba?
Leanne 55 says, humble and sweet. I think I am very humble and sweet. High maintenance, love you, Ate Tina, by Just Grace Bule. I'm not high maintenance, I'm actually very, I would say middle maintenance, if that makes sense. Blanchay, Hika, very matapang, not really. Diego Miguel de la Cruz, hindi na virgin. What's that to you? What is with Filipinos and virginities? Can you guys know? Eve Young says, masarap paging kaibigan. I'd say so. Jennifer De La Vega says, wala naman, I just want to say thank you, you inspired me. Thank you so much, welcome. And I love you. So later na ulit.
We have the chicken and mushroom eggs and the adobo sardine, which was cooked in the microwave for less than 5 minutes. And I believe Chef JP also wants to show us just really how versatile and flexible we can be with eggs and oats. With his freestyle eggs omelette recipe, which is
crab omelet.
crab omelette.
Oh,
Yum.
oopsie. April. Okay, we're gonna start cooking now. I think fairly easy, I'm not sure.
Egg recipes. And once again, this has been Teena Arches reminding you to start your day.
What are we gonna make, ba? Adobo or the chicken mushroom? I'm excited. Everything with eggs I like. Kululuto kami, so they won't see what I'm doing. So we're like pants. I feel like tangled. Oh, lala. How do you know I don't cook? Because I play with it. This is the enduring. I mean, this is our recipe. Timer start.
Timer start. Can we not time it? Because I don't think we can do 2 minutes.
No, we're chilling over here.
In a mug, beat eggs together with milk and oats.
Milk and oats
In a mug.
Where's my? Oh, this one's my mug. Mars, Mrs. Good morning. Today we are. Kunwari may pa-cooking siya.
Okay.
So I. What? I'm broke. Agad talaga siya.
Girl, we're not talaga siya.
Oh, sorry, walang kita sa amin.
Okay, get 2 eggs.
Wait lang, I need to angle it more. So crack 2 eggs and then beat it. Just beat it. My mom would be so proud of me. May ano? Wait. How do I take it off? Can I get it off?
Use your hand.
We are clean here, chef. Okay. Naka-portion na siya. Oh my god, first ako maglagay ng gatas ko sa ito.
And then, you put it. Yeah.
Ito na naman. I know how this works.
Why don't you make one? Yeah.
I don't know which one are you reading. What are you reading? So eggs, milk, water. Where's the water? We just put water.
Oh no, that's
Suka? Imagine if you put all of that. Cheddar cheese na lang kaya muna. It's cheese. I feel like ano I don't know how to cook it. I'll dance freestyle. I can't cook freestyle. Mushroom, Dad. This is mushroom. I just put it on. I just
put it on, girl.
And then the chicken, shredded chicken. Parang feeling ko I'm working in budget. Salt and pepper to taste. I don't know how to taste. So I'll just put like a pinch. Show them what I'm up to now. Ah, you're gonna fall. So this is what I have for now. Okay. Kilig ako. So I think I'm just gonna... Girl, parang napaglaruan yung aking ano. It's so thick. So mine's so thick.
Because you're thick.
Oh yeah. On. Okay, it's on. And then I have my oil here. Luckily, I know how to cook egg. So at least that's working for me. I'm trying to make you guys see. Ayun. Oh! How do I turn this up? Wait, how do I turn it on? It's on.
On, function, and then there you go.
Easy lang. Easy lang. Where's my pan thingy? Bakit sabi kanina ng chef? Ayun, sabi mo rub. Hi chef, this is our chef.
Wow.
Hello. I don't know how to cook and I'm sweating because I'm panicking.
Sige, I'll let you sweat.
Wait lang! I just throw it there.
That's wrong.
What?
No, I'm just joking.
Okay.
Oh, you're not supposed to cook that in a pan.
We're gonna microwave it.
What am I doing then?
What's this? This is chicken and mushroom?
Yeah.
Okay, you did everything except for this is for the sardines. So what you can do is you can put it here. And, okay. Let's just put it all there.
Yeah. Let's just pretend I did it right. I did it wrong pala.
Oh, let's just do it differently.
Creating my own thing. Sabi niyo freestyle naman.
Yeah.
It's an omelette.
It's an omelet.
Yeah.
It's okay. Pwede.
Pwede.
Still has oats. Yeah. Okay, don't touch it.
Ah, okay, just let it cook.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
let
I'm
it
just
set.
gonna do this.
And then where's your cheese?
I put it there.
Cheese is there now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
So full.
Let's add more cheese. And
Let it
that
cook.
some more.
Okay. I'm letting it cook. Let it chill. Okay, so I'm just letting it sit there because chef told me so. It's making my
So it has-
project work.
That's cheating.
He needed to help someone in need. Ayan. So naging omelette na lang siya.
You know what we can do here?
Too thick?
No, it's too fluffy.
It's too fluffy.
But no worries.
It's cooking, guys.
Yeah, it smells good.
But does it taste good?
We'll add salt.
I put so little because I don't know much I should put.
Put a little bit more cheese.
Okay. I've never actually had cheese with my eggs.
With your eggs?
I'm a plain person kasi.
Did you put oatmeal already?
Yes. 2 teaspoons. Ayan.
Put a little bit more.
Oh. Grabe. Pwede pala natin i-mix it with oats with eggs. I'm just watching. Can I try to do that?
Yeah.
Look. I'm such a cook. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Yun lang. Thank you. I wonder what that's going to taste like.
This tastes good.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's made with love. We're going to plate
Oh,
it.
do you need to...
Oh, you're going to turn it.
There you go.
Oh, it's a pancake.
So it's like a bibingka.
Yeah. See? Oh, love it. Guys, this is our bibingka style.
Maybe we can scrape this off.
Pero that's watching over me. So this is what we made. What's the name of this po? Oh, it's egg. How are you doing? Oh, you're toasting it na. Okay. Ashley, you want to taste it na?
You want to taste our food?
Yes.
I'll try yours.
Sige. Oh my god, are you sure?
Teena's first.
Okay, I'll try Ash.
You try one.
Mine looks so burnt.
Looks like bibingka.
This is hers. Mine is like a burnt version of yours. Yummy! Like yours. I like the other.
I'm about to try mine.
I'm about to try mine. It's almost the same.
It's both good. Because we did
Learning more flavorful. It's good. Okay, she's going to taste mine.
It looks creamier.
Well, actually, chef cooked it. So if it's bad, blame him. Na joke lang. It's pretty good though. Okay naman. No? Good. Yeah.
Creamy.
Yeah.
I like creamy.
Kasi ang daming cheese. Yay!
Yeah. I want to try mine.
Okay, she's tasting Ashley's now.
Okay, I hope it's good.
Good, no? Parang creamier yung kanya, no? What did you do ba to make it creamier?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, so today is another day, and yes, I changed my hair color again, but then that's just me. I always change my hair. I just wanted to go back to blonde before I went back to dark. Why not, diba? So let's proceed with the assumptions. So Closey said liberated. I don't think I'm liberated. Like, I wouldn't say I'm conservative either. I don't think I'm liberated at all. Like, I'm actually very behaved. You know, I still try to keep on track with my values. Very positive and straightforward person. Funny, cheerful, and adorable. Love you, Ate Teena. I am very positive. I am very straightforward. I am funny. I'm cheerful, and hopefully I'm adorable. But yeah, I really do believe I am those things. So another thing is maingay, yung palakwento na friend, yung bully friend. Okay, so I am maingay. Yes, mapalakwento ako to the point na yung mga momshies minsan dinidera ko na manahimik for like a minute and I can't do it. It's not like I'm trying not to do it. I just cannot. Parang when I'm aware na I have to be quiet, the struggle is more real. But I have my moments where I'm quiet. Like when I'm tired, I know na something's wrong kasi I'm quiet. Or it's not you, Teena, gaganon sila. And then bully, no, I'm never a bully. I don't even like it when other people make fun of other people, so I am not a bully. I don't like it. May pagka-sarcastic. Yes, may pagka-sarcastic ako. I don't know. For me kasi, I try to be in between like sarcastic and also sensitive. I know, sometimes talaga pag nafe-feel ko lang, edi sasabihin ko, parang ganun. I guess sometimes I'm a bit tactless. But like in a sarcastic way, not trying to be hurtful. Sabi rin niya, bisexual. I am straight AF. I'm so sorry. Gusto ko pong maging wifey ng isang swerteng lalaki. Confidence Overflow by JM Gonzalo. Actually, no. I mean, I'm pretty confident now compared to before, but I wouldn't say I'm the most confident of all, you know? I try to preach to myself most of the time, so maybe that's why I would seem very confident kasi, you know, who else would you listen to other than yourself? I try to teach myself how to be more confident even though marami akong moments na I'm very down. Like if you know me, my friends would always tell me na, oh, kala ko maganda ka period, pero sometimes kasi you just can't help but feel a bit down. My last assumption for now is from Mitsil Guapa, mayaman. I don't think I'm mayaman. I think maybe I wouldn't call myself mayaman. Like I think I'm rich in other things. Like I'm rich in love. I'm rich in like good company. You know, like if I was really rich, like papaayos ko tong cabinet ko. But but it's still there. I still haven't gotten it fixed. You know, I work hard for the things I have. My family works hard for the things that we have. And that's what we live by. And if you want something, you work hard for it. So as simple as that. So I'll be back a bit later. I'm actually gonna go cycling with my Cosmo family. Kaya itong suot ko. Diba lakas maka diba? So ayun, I'll be back later. Class is done. And I look super sweaty. With the Cosmo fam! Hello! And everybody's sweaty and wet and hot, which is good. So now I'll show you around. And this is our teacher. Yon, there you go. He's very encouraging. Kaya meron siya ng pagganyan dito. Yeah. Diana, thanks for coming with me. It was fun. I died, I struggled, pero I finished it. Ito in fairness, malakas ang stamina din.
Maganda yung song.
Oo, maganda yung song. Puro 90s pop songs. So very relatable, you know. I'm so excited to be done. And I can't wait to eat lunch. Yeah. Puwet ang puwet. Ay! Nadera alimusa huyo. Ate, sorry, ang layo kasi. Okay, so now we're eating lunch. Don't mind my hair, discolor. Napaka... Ay! Diyos ko.
Blonde na siya ngayon.
Sabi ni kinakain lang kung anong gustong kainin and walang physical activity. True.
Oy, kakaano lang namin.
Oo nga. Meron akong konting physical activity, but I also eat what I want to eat. Because you know, you only live once. Shouldn't. I don't know, I just wanna be happy.
Masarap kaya kumain. Madaling kiss mo kumain sa madami.
True. Bakit hindi pa nakikita ni maganda ako period, si Pogi ako period? Does that even make sense? It does make sense. And I don't know why. Sabi ni Lord, wag daw muna. So, it's not an assumption, pero I appreciate your concern. Sabi ni Hey Hizam, mabait. Bait ba ako?
Char, mabait. Super mabait siya.
Super mabait ako. I take pride.
Super mabait siya. As in swear, like first time I met her, kahit yung second time, oh my god, nagulat ako. Sabi ko, girl, ang bait nito. Hindi lang first person nagsabi nun. So parang, girl, sobrang bait mo. Parang,
sa family ko, medyo maldita ko. Pero like with other people talaga, I take pride in being mabait. Like even sila Kuya Wawi. Parang alam mo, Tina, you're one of the nicest people I know in YouTube. And I take pride in that.
pag nakita niyo siya in person, promise, maganda siya. Period. Don't worry.
Wait, tama. I'm gonna have a bazaar. Another one in April. So, let me know if you guys wanna see me or if you wanna buy makeup, clothes.
Magandang lashes niya, by the way. Buy
True, and I still have it. Marami pang natira.
Girl, ang gamit ko siya para. Ganda.
Diba? Oh my God! Nagsabay-sabay yung mga pagkain! Lord, nagsabay-sabay sila.
Ang dami palang food.
Okay, so we will eat first. Mamaya na yung assumption.